Hey guys, it's SterlingW. Today we're going to do an uncanning of this Australian abalone. Now, I finally bought 2 cans of this. I'm going to unbox one. I've already ate one already, so I know they're good. So I'm going to unbox it with you so that you can experience the same thing as I experienced like when I first unboxed this thing. So anyways, the can is pretty tightly put in this blister pack, and it is taped to that front part, so you got to take that off. But yeah, this is Australian abalone. It comes in a 15-ounce can, and basically it's a 7.5-ounce drained. So there's 8 pieces of the abalone in there. Uncanning is pretty easy. Just use a can opener. It doesn't pop off or a lid or anything like that. And it's actually very, very cool. Now, the reason why this is my second can is because the first can I ate it pretty quick. This is like 8 pieces. You're not really supposed to eat all 8. You're supposed to actually share with your family or friends. And basically each of these are about roughly 2.5 inches long, which is a pretty good size. They're very uniform in size. That's why we decided to buy another can of these and do an unboxing of it. But yeah, the broth is good. It's not sweet or anything. The flesh is sweet, but it's really subtle. So it's cooked in this it's already pre-cooked. It's already and you guys eat it right like this, but that's the best way is basically to slightly warm it or basically cut it in an angle into little pieces so you could have it added onto your noodles, or it's a delicacy. So you want to add it to your noodles, or you want to eat it whole like this, that's great too. Whichever way you prefer. Or you could put a different glaze or sauce on top of it. But normally I just take the can of juice and put that and make that into like a soup for my noodles. I add it to a noodle soup, and then add that flavor to the soup as well, so it tastes just like the broth as it was cooked in. Now, of course, fully cooked already, you don't want to boil these because it's already cooked. It's just gonna make the proteins of the muscle tighter. You want to just basically heat up the soup first, dip it in for about just a few seconds just to warm them up. That's really about it. They are super tender already, and they look very beautiful. They're all uniform in shape. They're roughly around 2.5 inches. This is perfect gift for, let's say, a chef who or even friends and family who love abalone. And it's a pretty good deal, to be honest. If you're at Costco, go ahead and check it out. See if they still have a can or 2 of this stuff. It is awesome. I got it. I think I got 2 cans, but of course I might be going for more because they do taste really good. And if you love seafood, and if you know friends who love seafood, this is a pretty good gift. Anyways, guys, this is SterlingW. I hope this unboxing or uncanning was helpful to you, and the review was good too and helpful to you as well. Again, like, subscribe. See you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.